Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code for Any. Today we need to see inside the food delivery nodes. Inside we need to develop the more API. We need to first of all develop the add categories API. We need to develop. We need to here the see the database category details. We need to create here the insert updated and deletes to create, and then after we need to create here the menu details insert update and delete. After we need to create here the menu items details we need to create. Let's start. First of all we need to create here the categories. First of all we need to add category. We need to copy first of all this add offers API and we need to convert inside the category. Now we need to copy this and to write down here the category ads restaurant. Write down here category, change this, and now need to put here the parameters value to give here the names, and then after we need to set here image and we need to remove another all parts. We need to validate to remove this, and we need to set here the categories folders. Copy this relative path and to put here. Now we need to change here the tables names. We need to set here the category names and image and now we need to set here tools value only. And now we need to set names and other parts are save, and we need to down here category. Now we need to set here the category. We need to create first of all the whole API, and after we need to test and fix this API. We need to create here first of all copy this add category and we need to put here the this, and this API are the done here for categories. Now we need to update category API. We need to develop here. We need to copy this API and to here. Now we need to set here the tables name first of all. Tables names and functions. We need to show that and we do the parameter and we need to set here the category switch. And this replace we need to and we need to change this tab folders name category. Save this API. Okay, now we need to create here the delete API. We need to copy first of all the delete API and we need to put here. First of all need to update here the category of this. Now we need to create here the delete API. We need to paste here first of all, and we need to change this name, delete category delete, and now need to set here the category ID. And we need to change the table. Now need to set here the category ID, and we need to change first of all says for category, and we need categories. Now this delete category API is done. So now we need to create here the category list API. We need to develop here. Need to copy this restaurant upper list API, and we need to put here. And after we need to change this category list API. Now we need to copy here the select query, and we need to and with the categories. Now this API for the categories. Now we need to test this API on postmans, and to set here hoppers, duplicates, and to rename this. Alright. To copy, now we need to set here by one small app set the postman. To pull the add API, change this name bodies, and we need to remove here the restaurant's ID. On it is now we need to get here the date here, change this parent, and we need to now need to configure here the delete API. Here the category for the delete. Then after we need to set here the category list API. Now to restart the node, and to test. Now need to create here first of all first category, where here right here the offers and to image for any app, set the asset folders and image and with get offers get here the internal server app to check here first of all and to this not created dates to check here create need to update this database first of all structures and change save this. Now need to try again. Now category add successfully and need to check here set the tables to get here the datas and need to check inside to categories inside we need to get here the image. Now need to update this categories name we need to set offer once and to change this image same image we need to and to category id 1 fire this API. Here we need to get here the server in errors we need to check the error date non column check here the by 20 syntax error check here syntax to side this error save this and reload the node. Now we need to test again. Now need to category updated successfully check here this API. Now need to set here offer once. Now need to get here the list set body server internal so we need to get it dates we need to issue add now need to check it. Now need to get here the category list here. Now need to call here the deleted API paste here. Now open the postmans and to category ones need to go. Category are the deleted successfully and now need to call again the list API. Get here blank deleted successfully. Now need to restore inside the database we need to test this and to get this API restore done this API and need to get here category. Now need to create here the menu list. We need to first of all the create here by one small API. Now need to copy this API. First of all, we need to create here the message. Down here. This message that created successfully. Now need to copy this add category API. Now need to open here the menu details page tables, and we need to set one by one columns value to first one. So no need to any change. We need to only change the table name. Both are table are same. One difference, create here the menu IDs columns to end this message. And we to check here the menu here. Now need to do this API to change this name. Now menu add API are done, so we need here. Now need to copy here the update menu API, create here. Copy this API, change this name to update, and we need to write down here the menu ID. And to set menu details table need to change. Set here the menu ID. Now now this menu updated API are save this. Now need to create here the delete menu API. Write down here the menu, change the need to check one by one. Now this is the delete menu API are done. Now need to create here the menu list API. Change here the category to ID and menu are created. And this is the set update delete and list API need to done for the menu. Now need to call inside the postman by once. Need to duplicate this category and to rename this. Now need to change here. Again, write down here the menu. Here, menu deletes. Now need to configure the whole API here by once. API at the menu add. Save. And after menu updates, after menu deletes, and after change it. Now we need to inside we need to changes, we need to parameters to write down here the main. Now need to delete inside we need to create parameters, no id. Now we need to create a insert the menu list. To add here right here the food and we to select this image to first of all start this to select image as a once by this API. At here server internal error. Check here error. One column has a need to check here. Change the structures. Here and check. Okay, now need to call against this API and we had successfully. Now need to add here the second method. Now need to create third menu. And after we need to create the promotional menu. And to check here the menu list API. Now need to get here the for difference menu. Now need to update first menu. Write down here the fast food. Change this to send here. Now menu updated successfully and we need to check here inside the database and we need to fast forward. Now need to save this. Now we need to delete API, we need to call here. And we deleted successfully and we need to check here. Remove post ID. Now we need to restore inside the database. Now we need to data entry for the categories. We need to set the app. We need to first of all add your categories. Sri Lanka. And now we need to add here Italians. 3. And after we need to add here the Indians. This the list. Now get here the for. Now we need to menu inside we need to add categories. Menu items we need to add. Menu items API we need to develop. Item details tables. Now need to create first of all this API for menu details. Need to add API. Copy this menu here and to rename this API name items. Add. Copy this. Now this is message are message. Now need to set here the all parameter. Now need to open here database structure inside the second screen and to put one by one. Need to get the menu ID first of all. After we need to get the restaurant's ID, which is restaurant inside the add this menu. Then after we need to give here the category, which category menu, and then we need to type set here the food types. After we need to give here the items name here, and then after we need to is iterations available allow, and iterations allow custom ingredients allows, and we need to add here the item descriptions we need to add here, and then after page price we need to set here parameters here this. Now we need to change here the table names first of all. Use here the menu items and we need to select here the query, set query, copy this. Item ID hundreds, set the date page, increment 1 2 7 question mark. Now 10 question mark are the set done and set here one by one API. Now we need to set here the restaurant IDs, and after we need to set IDs, and after we need to set here food type, after we need to get the name, and after set image, after we need to allow iteration, allow experiment system ingredients allows, turn into the descriptions, and then after we need to set page price with for the add menu items. Now we need to create here the update menu items image name items. Save this. Now menu API menu items add add-ons. Now need to create the items updates API. Copy this API, and to first of all the rename this API name item. Now we need to copy this add parameters walls, here side here. One more parameter we need to ID. And to now we need to set here the API. Need to go inside the SQLs and need to select dates to not change it. Need to copy inside the set query. This now need to one by one set the question mark. And now need to set here item set restaurant. Now need to get the so we need to that's image restaurant ID. One by one check here. Now need to set here item ID. And to get the restaurant ID, we get the restaurant side. And to now this is the update menu items API done. Now need to create here the delete API. Delete API. To copy here menu item delete API, need to now need to snap and write down it. Here now need to check it. So need to change items after to restaurant ID. Object restaurant site. It's successfully this message. Now save this API. Now we need to create here the menu item list API. We need to develop here. First this to copy this menu list to change here. Now we need to copy here, select query. Here status. Now save this and we need to restart this node. Now we need to create here the postman inside the how to call this API and test if I work or not. Call API. Now we need to open the postman and we need to create here the duplicates for the main. Name this. Write down here the and now we need to add here the change. Now we need to check here the parameter and set here. Supplement to give that the main. Then after restaurant ID. Then after we get the category ID. Name already two types. Name already added. is allow, integration allow, is custom integrate allow, and to set your descriptions and upload it to this price. Now need to your value 1. To type need the main. And to say now need to type need to give you now that descriptions price to and to okay. Now need to start this and to check menu item add successfully. We need to get here. Now need to call here the menu item list. To get here the server internal error check. Now need to call. Now need to get here the list here. Now need to create here the others item add change this image and to save this. And this is the add here. Now need to update calls. We need to call here again. Now need to add here one parameters. No item ID. Now need to set here menu items update successfully. Get or not. Now we need to get the images. Now we need to call here the delete API. Then after we need to down. Store an ID parameter to here for the delete and cross verify with the restaurants. Go to this. Now need to this and API. Menu items deleted are successful. To first of all, now need to not get the one ID. These are the all API are the menu items. Now need to create here more API to develop. To first of all the create here the preparation details and ingredients details we need to add. API we need to create. Now we need to go this one. Now need to copy this API because we need to image. Copy this add about and to change here iteration. Now need to first of all the set here say this. And to set here options. Now need to set the table first of all. Check it to iteration ID, item ID, name, additional price. And after we need to give name. After we need to additional price. More question. And to change this table iteration and to this value. And now add iteration API are the done. Now need to create here the iteration updates API. To copy first of all the to API updates and deletes. Update to API. Now need to change this iteration update API. Need to set here the to give item ID. Copy this update. Additional price to station ID. Save this. And now update iteration API are the done. Now need to delete iterations API to create to copy. Change the iterations. Iteration tables. Iteration ID. Past year. Item ID. Check it. Now save this and need to get here the postman inside with to call. First of all need to start node. Need to clear here the duplicates for the box to write them iteration. And now need to call this API. Now need to first of all add API fix. All save this. Terminate it. Go body. Iterations. That here. Save this. iterations, so need the iteration ID. One more API we need to create here. Iteration list. Get the select way. Save this. Now need to call here and check issue. Again, call this API. And now add preparation done. Yep. Counter. Now need to remove this. Get this. Now need to spare item. Specific item need this. And this order. Save this and expectation. Now need to get here this. Now need to update all API and value into that and it successfully. Now need to call here the delete. And iteration deleted successfully. Okay, all API are the working goods. and now we need to create here the ingredients, custom ingredients we need to create here. Now we need to create a custom ingredients API we need to create. First of all, we need to copy this iterations API and we need to set here the ingredients. Double check here database tables. Copy this. But this is the only one difference here, the ingredients ID. Change it. Suppose this. Now set here. Now we need to ingredients API we need to create. Now this is the ingredients API are the done. Now need to copy here the updates API. Now to change this API. Oh, save this. Now ingredients updates API are the done. Now need to create here the ingredients deletes API we need to create here. Now ingredients delete API are the done. Now need to create here the ingredients list API we need to create here. To copy this iteration API. Change this. Ingredients list. And now ingredients add API, add update deletes and list API are the done. We need to add in the function. So first of all, the copy these iterations, get duplicates, and to write down it, copy paste into ingredients. Set name this. Here. Now need to add here the ingredients name. First of all, now need to add here the ingredients extra ketchups. Item 1. Start this and to call this API. Okay, menu ingredients add successfully. Now need to add another mayonnaise extra API. Okay, now we need to add this value. Extra. Set here ingredients ID parameter. Now need to call here the updates. Price. Menu ingredients updated successfully. But here now need to these ingredients ingredient ID set for API. Now menu ingredients deleted successfully. Now menu ingredients here menu. Get here the extra mayonnaise at this list. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up and share your friends this video. If you're new user, please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get the every new video notifications. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone, have a nice day and goodbye.